she has to hold it like that. Back, right?
Maybe I should shoot the middle and the bottom one keeps moving.
Okay, do the middle.
Yeah, middle. She needs a better grip, though.
So put your. Are you Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, you got one in there. Okay, it's empty. Yeah. You can use the same gun if you want, or whatever gun. It's all set.
Yep. I see the hammers in there.
One in the black. Okay, you're done. You're done.
Really good. She keep shooting. She gets at the center.
Okay, go ahead, Randy. You can shoot yours, and now.
I want to go towards the middle.
Yeah, you're right. Pretty close to that.